Hello, so I'm going to make a fridge out of Lego, which is actually going to open. So we're going to need a glass piece, which goes into the glass frame. And this piece, I need to break it. And you're going to need a few of these pieces. And an orange juice container. And this milk. You know what? This is taking long. Let's make the fridge. Okay, so we're going to put this together and put this piece with I totally forgot I needed to fill that space. There. Make sure these little dots are hanging out because these are little hanging out. So the glass could fit in the glass frame. Let's just put it down. Let's put this on top because it'll make it more sturdy. And down here. And up here, a few of them. Now let's put in some stuff in here. See, let's put some milk. I always drink milk for a reason. I just love it. I'm going to put some bottles. First, let's put the lid on. That. Don't worry, I'm getting it in. Got it. See? Easy peasy, kind of. So I'll just show you like that. Kind of like a book or laptop. But I love it as a fridge. I'm going to put some orange juice. Actually, let's put some cheese. I love cheese. I used to like cheese, but I don't really eat it anymore. Let's put some blueberry jam or jelly, whatever thing you want. And this is actually going to be sushi. My mom loves sushi. So it looks fully stocked. So it's gently put it back like that. You see it? Ooh, looks stocked. You see there's gaps? I don't really care about that. All I care is if it works. And it does. Woo! So this is very fun to make. You have fun making it too.